guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to allow people to follow you on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click settings, and now click account settings. Now click and now here you will find allow people to follow you. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on, and that's it. That's how to allow people to follow you on your account on Reddit. Easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.